sharpen my knife using the sharpening stone with the 4K grit. The first of that is I'm also going to use first this one, the 1000 grit rough one, okay? Because the more that the higher the jump, because the higher the jump is the higher grit, like for example 1000 above 2000, 3000, 4000, 8000, 12,000, so forth, no? So the more thinner and the more sharpest your blade, the edge of it, no? And also we also use I have the leather. So for this leather, I usually use this one because it removes the burr, and what is burr? It's the edge, like a wire, but you cannot see in your eyes. You only see that in the microscopic view, It's very small one, it cannot see by your eyes. But other professionals they have the apparatus and use it to magnify the edge, However, for the butcher knife, as far as I know, they use only like 800 grit to end up into 1200 grit, because it's a boning knife, but they left only the burr, because the burr will make it toothier, the teeth, not the teeth. It has a teeth that grab the flesh of the meat, not the tissue, and the bones. And but for the skinning knife, it's usually very sharp, because, like, for example, if you have the skinning knife with the buffalo, carabao, and it's very sharp with the skin, and also the fat, it will be sharpened and very shiny. Okay, so I'll show later how to sharpen it, my skinning knife.